Alright, slope-intercept form. So, slope is m, and your intercept here, your y-intercept is b. Alright, so we've looked at this before. Again, it's reiterating some things. My slope is m, and your b, what I just said, is your y-intercept. So, for the example, y equals 2x minus 1. Minus 1 would be my y-intercept. So on the y-axis, I would go that to negative 1. And my slope would be 2. So, first, and I'll try and keep color coordinating. Start with the y-intercept, which is where the point crosses the y-axis. Then, plot that point. Use slope, rise over run. Alright? So here, the rest of the information I'll let you guys read, and we'll go over some problems like this, okay? So, we have y equals 4/5 x minus 3. So, y equals mx plus b. So, writing it under there, my m is right there, and my b is right there. So let's look at that. Y equals mx plus b. So my m is 4/5. My b, yeah, it looks bad. Negative 3 is b. So b equals negative 3, and m equals 4/5. So let's look at how to graph that. So that slope is rise over run, and b is my y-intercept. So at negative 3, so down 1, 2, 3. This is b, my starting point. Negative 3. And now I use my rise over run. I go up 4 from here, up 4 and over 5 to get my second point. And that's it. Alright? Oops. Up 4, over 5. And there's my next point. So I would plot my 2 points. There's my B, and connect your line. Which they've already done. Alright, let's look at another problem. So, I'll give you a second. You guys try and write this out. Identify m and b first. Those of you that need a hint, remember y equals mx plus b. So, m is what's in front of the x. B is the number that's all by itself. So, m would equal negative 3/2, and b would equal positive 2. So this is my starting point is b. Alright, so I'm going to move to the next slide, which has some stuff solved for you. And then you use your slope, then use slope. And that was given to you. So m, which equals, in this problem, negative 3 over 2. So we have our m equals -3 halves and our b. So b equals +2. So let me show you that. Right here, I plot b on the y-axis up 2. Now, I'm going to use my slope, which is down 3 and over 2. Rise over run. Alright, so now I take from point A, I go down 3, so I could count it 1, 2, 3, and over 2. 1, 2. And again, the line is already drawn for us, but we can connect these points. You'd connect it, and there's your line. Alright? Well, when you're graphing, just, always. Don't worry, we freak out sometimes, but it's alright. Graph the following using its slope-intercept form. So this is a little tricky. So y equals mx plus b. So what is b if we have nothing here? Well, if we don't have anything there, we could write +0. Because there's nothing. +0 doesn't change anything. So now, m equals 1/3. And my b would equal 0. So that slide shows the same thing. So, graphing it, I'll start with my b. So 0 is right here. That's where you should start with all your points. So I'm coloring that in. Now, we need to go up 1. Yeah, I don't like that. It doesn't show. Up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. Our slope is up, over, rise, over, run. So now I have my next point, and I'll connect it. Alright, so I'll pause it here. And hopefully now you guys know how to graph. Remember, quick, before we end, step 1, plot your b, your y-intercept. 2, use your slope to find the next point. And 3, connect your 2 points. And that's what we've been doing.